Hey everybody, it is CreativeSarah and I am here to share with you this fun idea. So I have these reusable canvas totes and they're pretty inexpensive. While we were looking for a gift bag today, we wanted to give a gift, and so I decided to make a fun one. It says girls just want to have sun, and I'm using that transfer with some ink on the canvas tote. So I selected 3 different colors for this transfer. We have our Couture Teal, which is this pretty light blue color, and then we're using Couture Coral and Bumblebee. So I'll be using all 3 of those colors to make this a fun, bright gift bag. Now, this is great because you can totally customize your gift bags for anybody. Kids, adults, friends, relatives, whoever you need to give a gift to. Just grab one of these inexpensive tote bags or reusable shopping bags. Just make sure it's made of fabric and not plastic, because we do have to heat set this, and obviously if you're heat setting plastic, it will melt. So this is kind of like a polyester kind of a canvas type bag. Okay, so I'm gonna get in there with my multi-tool and just make all the little sun rays with my Couture Coral and make a multicolored sun. When I am completely done with this, we'll go ahead and peel and reveal so you guys can see how cute the design is. All right, are we ready? Just about. Here we go. Oh, look how cute that is. Honestly, who wouldn't love to get this fun little beach bag with their gift in it? Okay, so now we're gonna dry the entire thing. So it's gonna take a little bit of time, but dry everything. If you don't have one of our awesome quick dry tools, don't worry, you can go ahead and just use a hair dryer. Okay, and make sure it's dry to the touch so that nothing is wet. It can be tacky, but not wet. Then I'm just gonna take out that ink mat and we're going to heat press it. I'm gonna use a little heat mat that I can put inside here so that when I use my heat press, I will not like damage my mat, my working mat, or my table or anything like that. So I'm gonna put a little parchment paper over it, then I'm gonna heat press. I'm gonna do 30 seconds on the front and I'm gonna do 30 seconds on the back. Of course, my heat press is set for about 280 degrees, which is right for the fabric. Whatever kind of fabric you have, you're gonna set your heat press for that fabric. You just Google it, look it up. Or if you don't have a heat press, you can iron it. Put it on the fabric setting on your iron for whatever the fabric is. And then iron it for a good 4 minutes on each side. So you're gonna keep moving that iron. Totes adorbs, you guys. All right, make sure you like, follow, and type in VIP in the comments if you're new. Thanks for watching.